Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make a very simple cake, and that is black cake. But I'm going to do it my way. Black cake is heavy and that of a pudding texture, but I do not want that. I want something that is in between a pudding and a cake. As you know, the black cake is enjoyed by many in the Caribbean around Christmas time. And you know what makes this cake unique? The dried fruits, the wine and rum, and the spices. I prefer to soak my fruits with wine only, but I do not have enough wine, so I'm balancing it with the sunset rum. And something to keep in mind, according to the type of container you use to soak your fruits, it may require more or less liquor. All right, keep that in mind. And make sure that your fruits are covered with the liquor. The measurements and instructions will be listed in the video and in the description section. Soaking the fruits will help to keep the fruits moist so the cake will be moist. And remember, you can soak your fruits for years, months, weeks, etc. I end up and have to change this container, and I throw that remaining liquor inside the container. So I use 4 cups total of the liquor. Make sure that your container is well covered. Time to blend the fruits to a grainy consistency. That's the consistency I'm looking for. Grainy. Smells so good. I'm already tipsy. Cream the butter and the sugar until it's creamy and well combined. Then add the eggs one by one, followed by the lime zest and vanilla extract.
Music licensing reimagined.
Add 3 cups of blended fruits to the mixture and gently mix it in. To the flour, I added baking powder, cinnamon powder, nutmeg, and ground clove. And also I sifted them. Gently fold in the flour mixture. Add browning to the cake since it's a black cake, but I add 4 tablespoons of browning. You can add 5 if you want, but don't go overboard because it can be bitter, okay? You can go ahead and add some liquor to your mixture if you want. I didn't add any. Pour mixture in a greased and floured baking pan. Preheat your oven to 275 degrees and bake for 2 hours. Also, I put a pan of water to the very bottom of the oven while my cake was at the middle of the rack baking. This will help with moisture, and I left it there for 1 hour 30 minutes. Then I baked the cake for the remaining half an hour without it. Tap the pan to remove air bubbles. So here's the cake. It is finished. Although there was a mishap by me, it's perfectly okay. Accident do happen. I shook the cake and this is my result, but it's okay. Insert a knife or a toothpick into the cake. When it comes out clean, that means your cake is finished. Soak your cake after it's finished with your favorite wine or your favorite rum. I am using Sunset rum. I had a slice when it cooled down and it was very strong, of course. But as time progresses, that taste will die down, that strong taste will die down. And you can soak it just like a normal black cake, a normal dense black cake, okay? But it was very moist, very moist. It's up to you if you want to continue and soak your cake, but this cake is moist. I almost forgot to cut the cake. Luckily, I remembered. Look at this. We enjoying it and forgot to cut the cake. It's actually on the other side. I turned it over. Look at that. Just what I needed. It has the texture of a pudding and a cake. Well balanced. I love it. It's moist. My goodness. You guys should really try this cake. You tasting that liquor? My. This is a very good cake. If you have any questions or concerns, please let me know in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Enjoy.